हे folks, आज मैं एक मैसेज लाई हूँ जिसमें हम डिकोड करेंगे एक इंस्टेंट को, एक एक्ट को. हैव यू एवर नोटिस्ड कि फीमेल्स व्हेन दे अंडरगो ड्रास्टिक चेंज इन देयर लाइफ, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट दे वुड वांट टू डू इज get a makeover, get their hair chopped और get some makeover. कुछ नया बदलाव चाहिए. मे बी कोई अपना wardrobe collection ही पूरा चेंज कर देता है. Some or the other thing that they are interested in, कुछ चेंज लाना चाहते हैं. But majorly 80 to 90% of the female, the first thing that you would see is they would first of all want to get rid of their old hairstyle and get some new hairstyle done. Right? Have you ever wondered why? ये क्यों? ऐसा कहीं लिखा नहीं है, कहीं कानून नहीं है कि भाई दिस हैज़ टू बी डन, बट वी सी अ लॉट ऑफ फीमेल्स डूइंग इट. आई रियली डोंट नो अबाउट मेल्स इफ दे ऑल्सो इंडल्ज इन सच काइंड ऑफ अ routine or not, but to speak for females, yes, they do. Have you ever noticed why? Here's the answer. I'll tell you why. So as far as I understand, what my logic speaks is, जो हमारे बाल है वो किसे दर्शाता है? वो दर्शाता है आपके मस्तिष्क को, आपके सर को. So it is related with the thoughts that you have. It is related with the thought process that you hold in your mind. When there's a drastic change, maybe let's say job change हो गया, you've moved to another city, breakup हो गया, the first thing that happens is the exterior changes. Why? Because that is a persona, that's a perspective which tells you that मेरे internal को मुझे change करना है. पुराने तरीकों से नया रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. सो द सिचुएशन दैट हैज चेंज्ड बिफोर मी नीड्स समथिंग दैट इज डिफरेंट. वही रूटीन करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं आएगा. जैसे मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, तारीखें बदली हैं तो तरीके भी बदलने हैं. सिचुएशंस बदली है तो उनके सॉल्यूशंस करने के लिए भी आपको तरीके बदलने होंगे. बाय डूइंग द सेम थिंग यू आर नेवर गोइंग टू गेट अ न्यू रिजल्ट. So what you've got to do is, in the new challenges, in the new opportunities, you will need new thought process. And for those thought processes to be changed, आपके पास एक personal external एक validation है कि मैंने अगर look change किया है तो क्यों किया है. वो मेरे लिए एक reminder है that वो जो routine रही है, I've got to stop following the same routine that I have always been doing. Now it's a new challenge before me. It's something that demands new solutions, new thought process, new perspective, a fresh outlook towards this new situation before me. So for that, it's an external validation which will every single day remind me. Haircut, हम तो देखते हैं ना अपनी शक्लें, दिन में 50 बार देखते हैं. So that really intensifies and it shouts at me every single moment stating, dude, you've got to think in a different way. You've got to have a new perception so that you can handle these new challenges in a better way. So as far as I understand and explain in one line, these external changes, the makeover and everything, it's just an external validation for you which keeps reminding you that you've got to change your thoughts for the better. Move on from that past experience or the experience that you had just before, and now that you're stepping into a new experience, it demands a new perception to it. So think with the new perspective and change your life for the better. So this is what my explanation was. I would really appreciate, ladies, if you really resonate with this, and if this is what is the reason, pour +1 in the comments. And if there are any more reasons जो मैंने नहीं सोचा है और आपके कोई और reasons है, so please feel free to drop it in the comment section so that all of us can learn more about it. Until next time, do take care of yourself. Bye.